Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing Amla rice recipe. Amla is also known as Indian gooseberry and nellikka in Malayalam. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make Amla rice, into a bowl I'm adding in 1 cup of long grain rice. I'm adding in some water and I'm allowing the rice to soak for 10 minutes. While the rice is getting cooked, let's get the other ingredients ready. So I'm using 4 medium-sized amla, also known as Indian gooseberries, to make this amla rice. Amla has one of the richest source of vitamin C, hence they help to boost our immunity. It also helps to fight off common cold. So whenever amla is in season, do try to include amla in your family's diet. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to grate the amlas. Once the amla is grated, I am grating in a small piece of ginger. Into this I am finely chopping 3 green chilies. Green chilies you can increase or decrease to suit your taste. Now let's check on the rice. The rice is almost cooked. Another 2 to 3 minutes the rice will be ready. If you have a leftover rice, you can use that instead. Okay, now the rice is cooked, so I'm going to strain the rice into a strainer. Okay, I have strained the rice and I have kept it on a strainer. Heat a wide pan or a wok with 1 tablespoon wood pressed gingelly oil, also known as sesame oil. Once the oil is heated, add in half teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon chana dal, 1 teaspoon urad dal, and reduce the flame to the lowest and lightly roast the chana dal and the urad dal. And once it is lightly roasted, add in 2 whole red chilies. Give it a stir. Add in 2 handfuls of roasted peanuts and give it a stir. Add in 1/4 teaspoon hing, also known as asafoetida, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Lightly give it a stir. Add in the grated amla, ginger and green chilies. Give it a stir. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed. Fresh curry leaves. I'm just stirring the curry leaves and adding in so that the flavors are released, and give it a stir. And on low flame, saute the amlas for about 2 minutes. Stir it on and off so that it does not get stick to the bottom of the pan. And once the amlas are sauteed and is cooked, add in the cooked rice. Give it a stir. Once mixed, check salt, and if you feel you need more salt, you can add in some extra salt. And once the rice is nicely mixed, you can turn off the flame. And my healthy and nutrient dense amla rice is ready to serve. You can enjoy this with any side dish or homemade pickle of your choice. So guys, do try this amla rice and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.